In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates to work on a form with you. Adjust their access and send the invitation confidently. First, open your form in Google Forms so you are looking at it in edit mode. You should see your questions and settings, not just the live preview. Keeping the form open ensures you can share it from the right place and that collaborators land on the exact project you are working on. Next, look to the top right of the screen. Depending on your interface, you'll either see a share icon or you'll click the 3 vertical dots to open the More menu. From there, choose Add Collaborators. Both options lead to the same sharing window. If you don't immediately see Share, don't worry, using the 3 dots and selecting Add Collaborators gets you to the exact tool you need. In the sharing window, go to the field labeled Add People, Groups, and Calendar Events. Type the email address of the person you want to invite. If you are collaborating with a whole team, you can enter multiple email addresses, or use a group email to include everyone at once. Take a moment to check spelling and domain to make sure your invite reaches the right inboxes. Clear, accurate addressing saves time and avoids confusion. Before you send, look for the permission setting next to Editor. Click the down arrow to choose the level of access you want them to have. Editor access allows full collaboration, adding or changing questions, adjusting settings, and viewing responses. If you'd prefer they only view the form or provide feedback without making direct changes, select Viewer or Commenter as appropriate. Matching permissions to each person's role helps keep your form organized and prevents accidental edits. When everything looks good, click Send. Your collaborators will receive an invitation right in their email, and once they accept, they can open the form and work with you in real time. You'll often see their cursors and changes as they happen, which makes building and refining the form much faster. If you are collaborating across different time zones or teams, consider letting people know what you want help with, like proofreading questions or checking settings, so everyone stays aligned. That's all there is to it. Open your form, share it from the top right. Add the right emails, set the appropriate permissions, and send the invite. With these steps, you'll be ready to co-create polished forms efficiently and confidently. Thanks for watching.